이거 베이컨 아니
Thank you. Oh, hi. Sure. 아, 정말 제프리 다이치는 제프리 다이치 같네요. 안녕하세요.
Like we have our ideal things and what will stay in place, but things changed last month.
56.
Yeah, so they span most decades of
Yeah.
his career. So important artist in general that we may not represent, but which is for like things like that are just like too big to be shown. And then this is the publishing year, and then 01 is just like basically, and this is like the editor or the main author's last name. So in this case, Brian Alfred. So it's A, and then we have our own, like, it's called a cuttering system.
Document
Exactly.
management system.
Exactly. So yeah, if I were to look up this book, I would be able to see like, you know, what's in it, who are the authors. I mean, this is reference material.
아, 이게
So then,
바코드가 돼 있네요.
Yeah. So you have all the information here, title, subtitle, this is the call number. And also for some material like this, I don't know that we have this one digitally, but typically we'll digitize it because, you know, we're happy to check things out. But if something is like fragile like this,
Jaeyoung,
Nice to meet you,
old
Russ.
friend.
Hi, nice to meet you. Welcome.
This is Elizabeth, who's gonna tour with us.
I'm the Associate Director for Access Services here, so.
Have a nice visit.
Thank you very much.
so do you just want the general tour or?
Actually, we have certain practical questions.
Yeah.